Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add your products to Google Merchant Center the right way so you can start showing up in Google Shopping, Performance Max campaigns, and reach more customers. Let's jump in. Google Merchant Center is a free tool by Google that lets you upload your product information so it can appear in search results, Google Shopping, and even YouTube ads. Think of it as the bridge between your store and Google Ads. Or first of all, head to Merchant center.google.com. Check the spelling mistake. Percent. Click Google Merchant Center from here and wait a minute. Click Next for verify. Enter your password. Get started and enter click it start now or get started button and enter your business information like business name, country, and time zone, website URL, where customers check out your site or check out on Google. Seven, 6, 1, 3, 0. Log into your account and verify your account. Click continue. Then again continue. Merchant Center. Tell Google about your business. Do you sell product online? Yes. Enter your website link here. I like Shopify. Paste here. Then do you have a physical store? No. Click continue. Continue Merchant Center. Continue Merchant Center. Then business name like Lister. Click choose your country name. Then hit continue to Merchant Center. If you are just getting started, choose Google Sheets. If it's It's simple and easy to manage. After selecting Google Sheets or your account, Google gives you a feed template. Open it and fill in the required fields: ID, unique ID like SKU, title, name of your product. Once you are in to add product, go to Merchant Center dashboard, then products, then add products. Choose from here one, then you will search country of sale, language, destinations like shopping, ads, free listings, YouTube. Upload method options include Google Sheets, scheduled fetch, upload a file, content API. After selecting your Google Sheets, Google gives you a feed template. Open it and fill in the required fields: ID, unique product ID, title, name of your product, description, clear, keyword rich, product description, link, direct link to your product page, and etc. Follow the prompts. Try to be as complete and accurate as possible. The better you feed, the better your chances of ranking in shopping results. To run shopping ads, link your Merchant Center to Google Ads. Go to settings, or ad campaign, then click get started, and link to Google Ads. Click on link button and enter your Google Ads customer ID. Here are a few pro tips to make your feed more powerful. Add sell price and sell price effective date, or to run discounts. Use product types. Type to organize your own categories. Include custom labels for internal tracking like seasonal items. Use high quality lifestyle images, not just plain product shots. And that's how you upload products to Google Merchant Center. If this video helped, be sure to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you want a tutorial on setting up shopping ads next. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.